Hypersonic underwater missiles are one of the most groundbreaking innovations in modern military technology. These weapons combine advanced propulsion systems, cutting-edge materials, and physics principles to achieve unparalleled performance in underwater warfare. Imagine a missile traveling at hypersonic speeds, surpassing the speed of sound even while submerged, and capable of reaching its target in minutes. This technology operates on a principle called supercavitation, where the missile creates a gas bubble around itself to significantly reduce drag and move through water at astonishing speeds. The development of hypersonic underwater missiles isn't just about speed, it's about redefining naval combat. Traditional torpedoes, while effective, are much slower and easier to detect and intercept. Hypersonic missiles, on the other hand, can evade detection systems due to their speed and advanced stealth technology. Their ability to travel faster than 200 knots underwater and maintain precise targeting makes them almost impossible to stop once launched. Countries like Russia and China are leading the charge in developing these weapons, with projects such as Russia's Poseidon, a nuclear-powered hypersonic underwater drone capable of carrying nuclear warheads. The Poseidon is designed to strike coastal targets, submarines, and naval fleets with devastating precision. These missiles represent a new generation of weapons that challenge the balance of naval power, as they can target enemy forces without giving them time to react. The guidance systems in these missiles are equally advanced, incorporating AI and machine learning algorithms to navigate under the most challenging conditions. They can adapt to underwater currents, obstacles, and even evade countermeasures. This makes them a game changer in scenarios where speed and precision are critical. For example, they could be used to neutralize high-value targets like enemy submarines, aircraft carriers, or undersea communication cables with minimal warning. However, the introduction of hypersonic underwater missiles raises significant concerns. Their development has sparked an arms race, with nations competing to create faster, more powerful versions of these weapons. This competition could destabilize global security, as countries may feel compelled to deploy these missiles preemptively in times of tension. Moreover, the potential use of nuclear warheads in some of these systems adds another layer of risk, as a single launch could escalate into a full-scale conflict. Beyond the military implications, there are ethical and environmental considerations. The noise and disruption caused by these weapons could have adverse effects on marine life, while their testing and deployment might damage underwater ecosystems. Additionally, the secrecy surrounding their development makes it difficult for international bodies to regulate their use, raising questions about accountability and transparency. Despite these challenges, the technology behind hypersonic underwater missiles represents a significant leap forward in human innovation. It demonstrates our ability to push the boundaries of science and engineering to create solutions for complex problems, albeit with potentially dangerous consequences. The question remains, how will the global community adapt to this new era of underwater warfare? Will it lead to greater security or usher in a period of heightened tension and risk? As we look to the future, hypersonic underwater missiles remind us of the dual-edged nature of technological progress. They offer immense strategic advantages but also carry risks that could reshape the geopolitical landscape. The world will need to tread carefully as these weapons become a reality, balancing innovation with responsibility to ensure they are used in ways that promote stability rather than conflict. Hypersonic underwater missiles are not just about speed and stealth but represent a profound shift in naval dominance. These missiles can travel at over 200 knots using supercavitation, creating gas bubbles to reduce drag and move with near-impossible precision. Capable of carrying nuclear or conventional warheads, they can strike targets like submarines, fleets, or coastal areas in minutes, leaving minimal reaction time. With AI-guided navigation systems, they can evade obstacles and countermeasures, making them nearly unstoppable. However, their deployment raises concerns about global security, the environment, and the ethics of an arms race, pushing nations to consider the balance between technological advancement and its consequences. Hypersonic underwater missiles represent a groundbreaking